Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Citi app not working. So if you're currently having problems that your Citibank app that is not working and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually I had this exact same problem myself just a couple of days ago and I was able to find a fix that basically immediately fixed it for me. So what I did is that I firstly closed my Citi mobile app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. And now on my settings app, what I did in here is that I scrolled down and then I clicked on general. So I clicked on general because then you should be taken to this page right here as you can see, which is perfect. In here I scrolled down a little bit and then I clicked on storage as you can see. And now on storage what I did is that I swiped up like this until I can see the search bar up top. So I clicked on the search bar. I'll search for Citi in here as you can see. So I clicked on the Citi mobile app. Then I clicked on offload app and once again I clicked on offload app in here. And then I clicked on the blue button here once again and then I just waited for the Citi app to automatically now update to its latest version. So you're going to force your Citi mobile app to automatically update to its latest version by doing this exact step-by-step guide. So I just waited. When it was done, I went back into my Citi mobile app and now it was working for me. So I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.